Hello everyone! Today we are gonna study this attachment. Have you seen it before? And this is quite difficult to meaning and we can study many things with this move. Just now when black has a large knight move and white just didn't get in, didn't invade, and of course this is also valuable. But when you invade here, even black can try to save into the corner. So however we are gonna have a sharing. When you lose the corner, and white can get the side and something like this. And we are going to share, however. So white just didn't try to invade. White just defends first. Okay, I'm gonna get my territory first. I'm gonna invade here next round. And this was what white was saying. Then usually black has to play jump or jump here. And this is a bit passive way if you want to have an active way, and this is using more. And white has to invade, however. Yeah, just like here. This one and jump. Yeah. If black just attach here, we have to try to stretch. And we have to save into the side. And it's gonna be happen. So white can save easily, however. So what I want to tell you is, since white invade here in the future, this is one of the white or black's benefit. If white plays first, this is gonna be white benefit. But make sure if you are doing right now, you are gonna lose the timing of your invasion. You can't do that. Black can just capture this one stone. So it's impossible. So such kind of end game should be on time. If you do it too early, then you are making black territory thicker. Which means you are supporting his territory. So you have to do it much later. But anyway, you have a benefit. Of course, black has a benefit as well. Black may do that. If you answer, then it cannot be bad exchange for black. So normally when black plays here, white has a two option. Just first one is you can answer something like this. Then now into the corner, there is no aju right now. If you just try to save something like this, and this is quite interesting topic, you can just try to capture with invasion here. This is one of the famous information. Black can't make two eyes. If white doesn't invade first, then if you are just doing right now, then black can make ko. So it's not okay for white. So that is the reason why we are just jumping here. Because anyway, however, this one stone is efficient for the left hand side. But just now, this position is not really good. But normally, if there is nothing, having here is much better than having into your territory. Right? And even if you don't play anything, black can save easily. Just like black is making, same variation as just now. And when white wants to capture the black, black can cut here one time. Then now we can't prove this situation. If white just save here, we can capture here. And if white answer here, then black can cut here. And if white is just around here, this is like how to say, free call. And white has to do that. And this call is really free for black. Black is not losing anything. So such kind of a fighting is not available for white. So now it was really difficult, but it's really important information. If you want to be simple, just you can answer. But main point is make sure you are losing something from black. Black already get many things. Yeah, so now you can answer something like this. Or if you think the corner is not big enough, you can just go to the big place and you can accept this move and you can make the base again. It was also available. Yeah. So in the local area, I can say if you need to answer, this is used the most. Yeah. So, but just now, black didn't jump anywhere. Black just made Kosumi first. Then which means black really hate to give you this exchange in the future. Alright, not right now. Make sure not right now. That's one of the important point. So which means you will feel quite annoying because now black is telling you if you don't play anything, I'm gonna play attach. When you answer, I'm gonna play here. If you just try to separate here, I can make some trouble for you. Now I can get many things. This is really not good for white. White can get, you can protect, but you lost really good influence to black, and even your territory is too small, so you can't accept. This is what white was saying. So now please answer here, then I'm gonna jump. I will be very happy. You already paid something. This attachment was one of your benefit, but you just give up. So now, if you just follow the normal way, I can't say it's a big mistake, but if you are going up to the strong player, I can say you lost something. Maybe I'm not sure how many points you lost, but exactly you lost. Maybe it can be around the komi. So we are not accepting, and we can punish this 2 stone. How you can do that is here, attach this 1 stone. This is quite difficult to meaning, difficult to understand, but I'm gonna try to explain perfectly. For example, you can think easily this hane here, the white can double hane. Then when you cut here, then this shape is became just like when you invade and when black attach and we just wedge. And the point is black just jumped, cut the lower side. And now of course you can save this. And if black connect, then now your capturing position is really good. And even this is became your good exchange. It can't be bad for you. It's compared to nothing. Black can just invade it to 3-3. But now you earn many things became. So now you can handle your influence, something like that. Then what about black just try to capture this 1 stone? Then even you just capture this 1 stone by ladder, even this is became good exchange for you. Now always the stones exchanges keep, sometimes it was good, sometimes it was bad. It depends on you how you are going to answer. So now, which means this fighting is not really available for black. Then what can black think about it? Black can think about connect. And then when white connect here, became 2 stones that are very, very heavy. If you just jump out, then we can jump out together and you protect your corner around the half. If you didn't have this exchange, something like this, if you make the same condition, then black has a benefit. Black may get into the 3-3. At least it was much better than just now. But it doesn't mean this is better for black. I mean, I'm just telling you about the RG. And even you can try to save into the corner. Just like this. However, you have an insurance at the corner for black. Alright? Yes. But just now, since white exchange those 2 moves, and when I touch here, these 2 stones are heavier. If you are black, you will feel quite difficult to handle for this one, and you can't beat this 1 stone. Then maybe you may have a question, then what about I don't have anything and I just attach here? That's a good question. So normally in this situation, as I told you, if black just try to hane here, and you will feel quite difficult to answer. Yeah, that's true. So how I need to explain some efficient part as well. Basically we have 4 answers, just like lower hane with H, or stretch, and upper, and here. Those are used. And in this situation that I want to use is J. And normally when I use here, then this 1 stone is still, power is not strong enough, then usually we have to jump here. Now this exchange made you to break here, but main point is when I turn around to 3-3, something like this. And if you just connect, I can save. Black already get back many things that he lost here, and even center power is center control is not bad for black. So now white can think about to capture this 1 stone, and I don't really have to save. If I just play here, and I get the corner, and this position is not really efficient for white compared to just having 1 stone here. So now I can't say this position was efficient for white, so black is not bad. Yeah. But the point is when we have this exchange, black didn't answer and black just follow, and then when you attach, what about if black plays same as just now, and when you jump here, these 2 stones became heavier, black will feel difficult to handle. If black just make the call right now, normally in the beginning there is not enough cost threat, and if black just connect, of course we can answer now. Even black capture, I think we can accept 1 or 2 times. Now you can break, and even you can protect the corner, so it can't be bad for white. Yeah, white can just set up the good hangman again. Yeah. So now the main point is when you attach here, black will feel very difficult to handle because now black made the insurance was disappear. black cannot try to save into the corner easily. Maybe you may have asked him, what about I just attach here? I don't mean I want to capture this group. If I just connect here one time, I can try to get back something here. Just like value is keep changing. Corner was important and black wants to get the more corner with the Kusumi here. Then corner is getting down because white get many things. So now you have to try to punish these stones, these two stones, and with making the heavy group, then now you can get many things at the lower side. So now I can say, maybe you may have a question, then how does black have to play? I can say, that is the reason why we don't play Kusumi here. Yeah. If white answer, then make sure this is gonna be good exchange for black. White sometimes may play something like this here and then try to hane. This is what black wants. Just like when you have a double hane, black can make exchange and cut, and it's gonna be joseki. But point is black protect the corner by center, and black can just go to the big place. So now even white made thick influence, and white is losing the center, and black protect the side perfectly. So most of the time it's gonna be good for black. So, but you can see seldomly white plays like that. But it should be very late the middle game, just like the end of the middle game, white may have to play something like that. But most of the common situation in the beginning, I can say white doesn't have a timing to play like that. It's not usually really good. So now most of the time white can just attach here. So black's answering is not really easy. Yeah. As I told you, if you just hane, white can double hane. Then now these two stones became heavier. And even you stretch here, I can just jump here. Then even this is not easy to take care. If you just answer, this is an amazing exchange. All right, yes. But now it doesn't have. Black can just try to save into the corner. Yeah. So I can say when you attach here, already you punished some. You made black heavier, and even you get 0.5% of the corner. If black want to save here, then you must connect, and you can just press down. It doesn't mean you can capture the black, but since him to save into the corner, however, you can break the side naturally, and even you will get something with the influence. So now I can say this is good enough for white. You may not feel comfortable to lose the corner, but make sure you get more things, just like the breaking the lower side and influence and potential. So it cannot be bad for you. Yeah. So this is quite difficult topic, right? So now, yeah. So most of the situation, if white jump here, black just jump here is common one that we are using. But when black plays here, if you just accept, then those two exchange is this exchange is became good for black. Normally, if you cannot punish from his overplay, you became your opponent result is better. So when your opponent plays some overplay, then you must punish. I can just explain the logic. Just like the, you can see the this joseki, right? White just approach, black answer. White play the knight move, black answer. White is supposed to play here. But for example, white just pushed here. You know that this is a bad move. Normally, if you just answer, then this is became better for white. Because white can just answer. In the future, black might block here, white might push here, then that's half-half. If white push here, then black is supposed to answer with 2 space jump. Here is much valuable. Yeah. But now, when you get this push, at least you are going to answer here. Or if you want to punish this group, then you can try to pincer and make him to go out to the center. You can get back something. However, you must not just answer here. Now just the base was not really good. Yeah, And usually I'm just telling you the logic. So this is also same. If you just accept, then this Kosumi is gonna be good exchange. But if you punish with attachment, then now these 2 stones there is no stone. These two stones became heavier. So today's the topic was quite difficult. Yeah, it's not easy to understand. But I believe that you understand what I'm talking about. So now, if you feel a little bit it was a bit difficult, then you can just watch one more time or two more times. Then you will know that what I'm saying. Yeah. So now I cannot say this is tricky. I cannot say this is a bad move. But in the beginning, if black is using this move, then now black is not gonna be okay with this attachment. But in the end of the middle game, then sometimes white may not have a chance to play something like this. But today my focusing was the beginning. Yeah. Okay, so today I can just teach you until now. And if you enjoyed to watch my video, and please subscribe and like for my channel. And one more thing, please press the bell as well. Then you will know when I put up my video. Okay, thank you very much everybody. See you guys next time. Bye.